Hello everyone, this is the tutorial on Microsoft OneDrive. In this tutorial, I will explain all the various features of Microsoft OneDrive. OneDrive is a cloud storage where you can store your files and folders. So for using OneDrive, you just type OneDrive and then click here onedrive.live.com. You must have the Microsoft account if you want to use Microsoft OneDrive. If you don't have any account, you can create a new account from here. And after signing in, this is the page that you will see. So Microsoft OneDrive provides 5 GB. As you can see here, it provides 5 GB of storage, free storage. And if you want to buy more storage, if you want to buy 1 terabyte storage, you can purchase from the premium plan here. Now what are the various features that you can use in Microsoft OneDrive? Just see here, upload. You can upload files or you can upload a folder to your Microsoft OneDrive. If you want to upload a file to Microsoft OneDrive, you can click here, files, and it will show you your system window, and then you can upload any file that you want to upload. So file is empty. Let me upload another file. So upload a file. So you can upload any file. For example, I want to upload this file. So uploading one item to my files. So file is being uploaded to your OneDrive. So see, this file has been uploaded. If you want to upload a folder, you can upload a folder directly from here. You can upload any folder. For example, I want to upload this folder, and just so it will show you the message, it will upload all files. So just click on upload. So file folder is being uploaded. Yeah, see, the folder has been uploaded to your OneDrive. Fine. So this way you can upload files and folders in your OneDrive. So you can have access anywhere. You can have access to these files and folders from anywhere. You just need to sign in into your Microsoft OneDrive cloud, and you can access your files and folders. What extra features you can do is, for example, see this folder. You can, if you want to download this folder, you can download. If you want to delete this folder, you can delete. Fine. See, so many options are there. If you want to embed this folder to your website, you can embed. If you want to rename, for example, I want to rename this folder HTML practice to HTML practice for students. So just click save, and yeah, folder has been renamed. If you want to share this folder, this is the extra feature that OneDrive provides. You can share your files and folders with your colleagues, with your students, etc. So right click here and see share, and you can see there are two options. Either you can copy the link from here and share the link with your students and with your colleagues, with anyone you want to share. Fine. And anyone with the link can edit this. Fine. You can change the permissions from here, that whether you want to allow editing or no. If you don't want to allow editing, editing means they can change, they can make changes in your files and folders. If you have enabled this option, you can uncheck this option. Similarly, you can set the expiration date and set the password. Fine, and click apply. Or if you want to share this file or folder with some particular people, you can type the email and you can send the invitation, and anyone with the link can view. Only they can view the file or folder, they cannot edit. If you want to allow editing, you can. Fine, you can select specific people or you can select anyone with the link. So this is the feature that you can use. You can share this file or folder with anyone. Now suppose this is the file and you want to move this file to some folder, just right click here and move to, or you can copy this file to some folder. Suppose I want to move this file to some folder, just right click move to, and it will show you all the folders where you can move this file. You can move this file to any folder. You can move this file to certificates, Poly, or documents. And if you want to create new folder, you can click here new folder and you can enter any folder name. For example, my docs. I want to create this folder, my docs. Just click here and it is saving your folder. And now you want to move this item to my docs, just click here and then select move, and this file, the file has been moved to this folder, my docs. You can see here. And inside any folder, for example inside this folder, my docs, you can upload the files, you can upload the folders, you can share this folder, you can share the folder, you can download this folder, you can copy, you can move. There are so many, plenty of options. You can view the list. If you have so many files in your folders, I have only one file, you can display the tiles. Fine, and see this. If you have so many files in your OneDrive and if you want to see only recent files, you can see recent files from here. You can see the recent files from here. So see, these are the recent files. Fine, and if you suppose I have deleted this folder, I want to delete this folder, HTML practice, so delete. So this is showing you the message. Now this folder will be moved to recycle bin. So see, this folder has been moved to recycle bin, from where you can restore this or you can permanently delete this folder. Another important feature of Microsoft OneDrive is, very important feature of OneDrive is, you can create new documents. You can create a text document, you can create Word document, you can create Excel workbook, you can create Word document. For example, suppose you don't have Microsoft Office in your system, you don't have Microsoft Office and you want to use the Microsoft Office. Fine, this is for the users who are not comfortable with the Google Docs, who are not comfortable with Google Drive. Suppose some people are comfortable with Microsoft Office and they want to work on Microsoft Word, they can simply create a new document from here, Word document. So just wait while the new document is being created. Just wait, new document is being created. Yeah, most important advantage is that you can use the latest features, you can use the latest feature of Office. Fine, if you have Microsoft Office 2007 in your system, but in the OneDrive you will use the latest Office. You can use this Office. You can see, you can use all the features that you see in Microsoft Office. For example, if you want to insert table, you can insert a table from here. Fine. For example, I want to create some document. You can create. Fine, and you can save. This document is being saved to the OneDrive. You can rename this. You can rename this file. For example, student record. I want to rename this to student record, and you can set the location where you want to store this. Fine. You can select a folder from here. So this file I have created. Similarly, you can do whatever operation you want to perform on this file, and just click close. This is your OneDrive. Refresh it and see this file is in your OneDrive. If you want to create a new PowerPoint, you can, and you can see all the latest features of Microsoft PowerPoint you can use. And this is very important. Fine, you are able to use all the features of Microsoft Office without installing Microsoft Office in your system. I am using MS Office on the cloud. Fine. If you want to use some advanced feature, then you have to buy a premium pack. Fine. I can create a presentations from here. See, there are so many latest features that you can use. All the features that you can use in MS Office, you can use online. Fine. If you want to create Excel workbook, you can use. So you must use this Microsoft OneDrive. If we compare it with Google Drive, although the storage space is less, storage space is 5 GB only. Although storage space is less, 5 GB only, but you can use the Microsoft Office online, because maximum people are comfortable with with using Microsoft Office. So you can use all the latest features. You can see you can see file that you have shared with some people in this share tab. Similarly, you can create a OneNote notebook. I have to give this notebook some name. My notebook, for example. Just create. A notebook is being created. So OneDrive not only provides you the free storage, but also provides you the many features that you can use. For example, you can create a documents. You can create documents, you can save documents, you can share documents. So this is my notebook. Here you can type, you can store your information, you can insert. So you must try this option also. You must try this notebook also. It is very helpful. You can add sections, you can add pages to this notebook. If you want to draw something, you can draw. Fine. So very important. For example, I have selected pen of red color and I want to draw something. I can draw. I want to explain something to my students. I want to explain some diagram to my students. I can draw in one notebook. This is just for demo purpose. I want to explain some flowchart. Fine. I can explain. Fine. So I can draw anything, and I can change pen. I can change highlighter. I can use any color, ink. I can draw shapes. Fine. So these are some important features that are provided by OneDrive, and you must try to use these features, so it will help you a lot. So OneDrive not only provides you the storage, but it provides you all the latest features of Microsoft Office. So it's very simple. You just have to create a account on OneDrive, and then you can use all the features. Fine. If you have any query regarding this OneDrive, you can ask me. And similarly, you can also create a form survey. Like it's like a Google form. Similarly, you can create Microsoft Forms in this option. Fine. So you must try to use these features. Okay, that's all. If you have any query, if you have any feedback, you can comment in the comment box. Thank you for watching.